OMNIAX, traders from around the world. What's going on, kids? Welcome to Live with Oscar, live from Australia. The chart you're looking at is the chart of our Omni trading token, and I love you, OMNIAX, from around the world that have been supporting it. Look at this daily chart. It's been doing great. Now, on this red bar, of course, Trump announced tariffs today. And you know what I like to tell my OmniX, which I told you guys in April when he announced the tariffs, is that listen, announcing tariffs, if you really think about it, even though at first people think, oh, it's going to be so bad, it's going to wreck the economy. Here's the deal. Let's say you owned a house, an apartment building, and you decided that you were going to raise the rent on that apartment building. Is that going to make you less money or more money? Will people not still rent your building? Even if some move out, others are going to come in and rent it at the new price. You are going to make more money if you raise your rent. Why? Because people need to rent anyway. They need somewhere to live. Well, guess what? When a president of the United States says, I am raising tariffs, all he's saying is this: I'm raising the rent on our ports of entry and our docks. And if you want to do business in this multi-trillion-dollar economy where we are consumer driven and we buy stuff and throw it in the garbage and buy five more, well, then you're going to pay a little more at the docks. You're going to pay a little more at the point of entry, at the ports of entry, and the United States is going to make more money. It's not like these countries are not going to sell to us. You know what I'm saying? They don't have a choice. We are the United States. We buy trillions of dollars of crap. You might want to buy this in 87 pairs and then throw half of them out because one of them's a little dirty and one's not the right color. So Americans, we throw them in the garbage and we buy eight more. Who doesn't want to sell to us? So whether we raise the rent or not, the apartments are still going to get rented. They are still going to come here and sell their product. They will pay the tariffs. That's that. So Trump always announces stuff on a Friday about tariffs, so that by the time the weekend passes, everyone has enough time to realize it's not going to hurt the economy. They still need to sell to us. They're still coming in, and everything goes back to normal. So our crypto, thank God, is not tied to the economy. It is an omni trading crypto for OmniAX. It's a utility, and certainly we're putting utility in it. And it's not tied to the economy at all whatsoever. It wasn't built that way. It doesn't matter if the stock market goes up, down, or sideways. Omni trading has nothing to do with that. You OmniAX, I promise you, you've been supporting the Omni trading token all the way up. I am supporting you. If you look, I have not sold one Omni token. I am not selling anything. I'm supporting you. OmniAX around the world are supporting each other. We are one big crowd who can trust one another, and you can trust me at the helm. OmniAX, keep doing what you're doing with the Omni trading token. You're looking at it right there. That's a great chart. You keep doing it. I'll keep supporting you. I'm in your corner. I promise, no rug pull here. I only buy and selling anything. I don't care if my portion goes to zero. I will not ever sell a token without telling all my OmniAX it's time for us to take profit. You can count on that. I've got your back. You will never see sales coming through that. If you look underneath right here, you can see everyone that sells and everyone that buys. This, when you see DEV, whenever there's a little spot next to it, that's me. You will never, ever see sale ever. Just buy, just buy. That's all I'll do. Usually there's more, but I'm not trying to run this crypto at all. I just buy it when you guys buy it, and I support you. And I continue to support you, and I love you, OmniAX, for supporting me. And we'll continue doing this, and hopefully we'll continue to make this a viable asset. We could all make a few bucks along the way. OmniAX, love you to death. Keep supporting the Omni Trading token. Remember, it's got nothing to do with the economy, and we're going back up next week anyway, because raising tariffs doesn't matter. We've all seen it. So you keep supporting it. I'll keep supporting you. Love you guys. And remember, stop soar in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Danny, you should have joined in with me, buddy. All right, kids, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com and pump.fun.